What up, YouTube family? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm bringing you a quick tutorial about how to remove the door panel on this 2020 Subaru WRX. It is very easy to remove. Just gotta open that little tab by the door handle. Then it's another tab where you grab the door to open it or close it. There is 2 Phillips screws there. Remove those screws, one there, one here, and just pop the door panel from the corner all the way around like any other door panel. Really easy to do this, super easy. Alright, so this is a 2020 Subaru WRX front door panel removal. Thanks for watching.